Hello, little friends. I'm here with Choice. Say hi, little friends.
Hi, little friends.
Today, me and Choice are gonna do some Mickey Mouse puzzles.
Oh no!
What's going on?
Here we go.
It's okay. So this is what we are doing today, little Choice. Are you excited? Yes. Okay. So first, it is a box that when you slide open, the rest of the puzzle are inside. The puzzle goes by number in the back. So little Choice is gonna do it, okay?
Idea, mommy.
Yes.
What's next together?
So let's do this one first, okay? We're gonna put this one on the side, and then we're gonna mix all of this up, and then we're gonna do it together. We are taking the puzzle apart. Say, we are taking the puzzle apart. Who's this?
Minnie house.
And who is this?
House.
And who is this?
A cat.
And who is this? Buddy. Which one do you think goes together? Choice, do you know which one goes together? Can you help me, little friend? Yes, yes. Thank you. Now let's go and do it. Little Choice already started. Oh, little Choice is smart, 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 smart. Little friends, are you smart like little Choice? Yes, you are. Okay, now let's do the puzzle. Oh, little Choice already started. Let me try to do it quickly like little Choice.
Idea.
No, you're not done, little Choice. Little Choice, how about if we try to connect everything that has blue and yellow color at the bottom? I think if we try to do that, then maybe we're gonna figure it out. I found one. This goes together. Look at this, little Choice. I found one.
And me too.
Let me see. Oh, no, this one doesn't go together. No, not this one, little Choice.
I find it.
No, this one doesn't go together because there's purple here. Oh, this one goes together. Okay, it's okay. Never give up. See, little Choice is getting a little bit frustrated, but she never give up. Teamwork makes the dream perfect. Right, little Choice? It's okay, little Choice. Don't be sad. Okay. Do you want to do this while I'm trying to help you with the puzzle?
I want that one and that one.
Okay.
And you choose that one, mommy.
Thank you, little Choice. I want to help you with the puzzle. Oh, I'm getting there. Wow, can you see this? I am almost done. We did the bottom part.
That one.
We're getting there.
Mommy, that one, mommy.
Those two goes together. Oh, Choice, you're right. It comes here. Let's try this one. Press it in there. Good job, little Choice. Show it to your little friends which one you think are gonna go together.
That one.
Yeah, show them the picture in front. Choice said this one is gonna go in.
This one.
Yes, so let's see if that's gonna happen. Little Choice is always this close of getting it right. Little Choice, try this. Take this and put it right on top. No, put it right on top of here. This way. Wow, it's fit. It connected. Connected. Choice, do it. Yes, I did it.
Yes, I did it.
Yes, I did it.
I can do it.
No, never say you can do it. Say I can do it. I can do it. Yes, I can do it. Teamwork. This one goes here. Try it. Try taking this puzzle and put it right here. Press it gently and then press it. Good job!
Me.
This one, where do you think this one is gonna go? We have to look for the colors that are similar.
Me, that one.
I'm thinking this one will go here. Do you think so? Okay, press it and let it go in there. Oh, good job, little Choice. Where do you think this one is gonna go? You wanna try over here? You have to put it and then press it. Little Choice did it. She's getting it. Where do you think this one is gonna go? Good job. Okay, and now press it in. Press it in. Good job, little Choice.
And maybe that one.
Where do you think that's gonna go? You want me to help you? I'm thinking it will go right here. You want to try? You want to try and press it? Let's see. Yes! Where do you think this is gonna go? I think it will go right here. Choices know where it's gonna go. Right over here. Press it. Now we're gonna put Mickey. Okay, try. She got it. What's the next one?
Me.
Minnie, where do you think Minnie needs to go? Good job. And who is that?
That's so
Yes, that's Ducky.
Ducky.
Where do you think Ducky's gonna go?
Here.
Good job. And now we need one more. Birdie. We did it. Let's show it to friends. Say friends, we did it. Teamwork, teamwork.